Hey there, it's David from Project 42, Musicians React and Nothing Gay. We're back doing reaction channels. We're checking out Cleo Bodum's final track that I've got on his list. So it was one I've missed along the journey as I was doing it, and this is As I Lay Dying and The Sound of Truth. Haven't checked them out, so let's go do this. If you like the reaction, please subscribe, click the bell icon, like and share, leave me some comments down below. Make sure you check out the second channel, Musician React 2.0, different videos updated daily. Links are below. Let's do this. And I'm going to talk over the top because that's what I do. Okay, that was just like straight in. There was like no pause in, there was no like intro. It was like, okay, so I get it. Go in for intensity. Very compressed sound, but you have to do that sort of like drum style. Otherwise, it just overkills everything. I like the backing vocalist on this. I like he's got a good voice. He's also got a strong vocal like the main vocalist. It's that kind of Iron Maiden-esque galloping beat. I like how the second guitar's playing the harmony to the main guitar riff of the chorus. That's cool. Ba, 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 ba. It's got a hell of a lot of intensity over the whole track. Nice breakdown. Cool, nice vibe to this part of the song. It's got kind of a big, kind of epic stuff. It's a solid solo so far. It also helps that you've got like a nice chord progression in the background. Kind of accents the solo out. Okay, so that was As I Lay Dying, The Sound of Truth. Like the track. Every video I keep saying this, I don't really like that style of screaming vocals, but it worked really well on the track. I just wish... I don't know. I kind of wish it didn't have the screaming on it to give me some sort of other concept. But I understand what, because it does work, that track. If you're into that, if you're not into that, you're never going to be fully into that song. I thought the bass player had a great pair of vocals on him, and even the singer had a great pair of vocals on him, even if it's not my style of vocals. I really liked the chorus. It had a real nice hook to it. It was, and the solo, it had a nice chord progression underneath, which just fitted the solo perfectly. So he's done a really good job in writing that solo. So it was a good track. It's my first listening to As I Lay Dying. Sorry. But yeah, I'm definitely interested in checking out some more tracks from them. If you like the reaction or you'd like to make any comments down below, please subscribe, click the bell icon, like and share. There are 2 channels now. There's Musician Rat 2.0, different videos uploaded daily. Please subscribe to both. That way, if one channel ever does go down due to copyright infringement or any other stuff they like to throw at us, we can keep the other channel going. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another video sometime very soon. Take care.